Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the language for your desktop in your Amazon account Prime. So first, after you open the website and log into your account, on the right corner you will find your profile icon. You just click there, and here for your account you will find account and settings. You just select this one, and then here, as you can see, you'll find different options. So we are going to choose the language section, and then we are going to find two different options. The first one is to change the language of the website, and the second one is to change the language of the streaming. So for us, we want to change the language of the website, so we are going to click on change, and then as you can see here, you can change the language, for example from English to, I don't know, for example French, and then you just click on save, and now as you can see the language is changed. So let's get back to English, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.